Brindley Semiconductor Technologies investment pitch, for microprocessor and diode-based sensors, third-party semiconductor manufacturing and setup of semiconductor foundry. Everything we do at Brindley Semiconductor Technologies, we believe in challenging the status quo. We believe in thinking differently. The way we challenge the status quo is by making our products and services beautifully designed, simple to use and user-friendly, by putting our customers at the center of everything we do and build with long-lasting trust in us. At Brindley Semiconductor Technologies, we believe business need to go beyond the interest of the company to the interest of the communities we serve, which can make a difference. Problem 1. Semiconductor foundry. Shortage of semiconductor foundry worldwide is impacting the supply chain of semiconductor devices which are used for manufacturing of various electronics gadgets and equipments worldwide. 2. Semiconductor microprocessors manufacturing and semiconductor manufacturing. Microprocessors and diode sensors are being used in most of the electronics gadgets and equipment worldwide to make this digital world function in 21st century in each and every industry. There is a huge shortage of supply chain of these devices globally, and we believe that we can have a buyout of this huge global shortage through our own devices. 3. Third-party semiconductor device manufacturing. Complete end-to-end turnkey third-party semiconductor components manufacturing. These have huge potential as there is a huge shortage of supply chain globally. Solution: Semiconductor foundry. Semiconductor foundry plant. Design and IP research labs to be set up in US, Canada. Foundry will be used for manufacturing and packaging on semiconductor components. One of the largest foundry to be set up in India. Can be used for microprocessor, diode sensors and third-party semiconductor manufacturing and packaging. Training center for engineers to upgrade their skills. Demand for microprocessor and other semiconductor components are in shortage and supply in 21st technology. These are used in IT, electronics and communication. Global market. Low cost. Solution: microprocessors and diode sensors manufacturing. Design and IP of microprocessor and sensors. Design, fabrication, manufacturing and packaging of device. Uses special Corning glass and silicon wafers for manufacturing semiconductor devices. Development of microprocessor, sensors and other third-party semiconductor devices in India. Application-based microprocessor and sensors. Built for AI, blockchain, quantum technologies and highly complex analytics and computing, gaming. Use for automobile, aeronautics, defense, healthcare, medical devices, pharmaceutical, heavy industry, data center, etc. Demand for microprocessor and other chips are more than supply, as 21st technology is IT, electronics and communication based. Global market. Low cost of manufacturing and packaging as compared to other competitor.
Brindley Semiconductor Foundry Plant.
Brindley Semiconductor Foundry Plant. This foundry will be used to manufacture and packaging of various semiconductor third-party semiconductor components as well as microprocessor and diode sensors. This will also bring in thousands of supporting companies to partner with us to generate many small-medium companies employment. This will bring in game changer.
Brindley's application-based microprocessors used for various applications like mobile devices, consumer devices and equipment, servers and other in various sectors like space, healthcare, technology, manufacturing, aeronautic, defense, quantum computing, VFX and others.
Market research report as per 451 Research, Forrester, PwC, Gartner, McKinsey & Co. Targeted total global market share. Geography: India, Southeast Asia, Asia Pacific, Middle East, Africa, few countries, Europe, UK, North America, South America. Size of the customers: small, medium, SME, of couple of $1,000 to over couple of $1 million. Large and big customer over couple of $1 billion. Business to business, B2B. Business to customers, B2C. Complete end-to-end solutions, support services, annual maintenance contract, AMC, upgrade, new systems. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies is looking at global market share of 10% of total number of population using various electronic devices and gadget, which is valued at more than billions of dollars, with is projected at $1 billion in next 20 years. Global market potential for every sectors where electronics devices and gadgets uses semiconductor components is valued at $2 trillion for next 2 years. Some of the sectors market are valued at 11 billion. Microprocessors component required for mobile industry valued at $1,000 billion. Snacky projected use of investment funds and breakdown into gross profit and operational cost and their details. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies received various incentives from government of Maharashtra worth billions of dollars, like tax incentives, GST incentives, stamp duty incentives, customs duty and production-linked incentives, PLI, worth billions of dollars, which would bring the cost of the product developed at Brindley Semiconductor's foundry cheaper but at best of the international standard product. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies financial analysis report based on the projected cash flow statement, net present value, NPV, internal return rate, IRR, break-even or payback period and profitable index, PI and EBIT. It is found that NPV is greater than or equal to 0. It means profitable project. IRR is greater than 1. It means accept the project for investment as it is financially viable. Break-even period approximately 10+ years. Profitable index is positive to accept the project. EBIT is found satisfactory. Semiconductor phase-wise roadmap. Phase 1. Project, application-based microprocessor and diode sensors. Base architecture. ARM, RISC-V. Task, research, design, prototype, fabrication, manufacture and packaging. Customers, B2B, B2C. Investment: $950+ million. Projected ROI: $20+ billion. Progress, good. Phase 2. Project, third-party semiconductor chips and diode sensors. Base architecture. ARM, RISC-V. Task, research, design, prototype, fabrication, manufacture, packaging. Customers, B2B. Investment: $400+ million. Projected ROI: $10+ billion. Progress, good. Phase 3. Project, semiconductor foundry, factory, with highly complex machines and robotics to manufacture semiconductor chips and diode sensors. Task 1, build factory. Task 2, research, design, prototype, fabrication, manufacture, packaging and training. Customers: Brindley Semiconductor Technologies. Third party. B2B. Investment: $20+ billion. Projected, $1 billion. Progress, in progress. Semiconductor use of funds. Total investment maxes $40+ billion and would be executed in phases. Phase 1, microprocessor and diode sensors. Phase 2, third-party semiconductor. Phase 3, semiconductor foundry. The breakup of investment is also providing in the table. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies would use the investment funds for development of the technology and product, marketing and sales for the product, semiconductor research labs, semiconductor training labs, semiconductor foundry plant for manufacturing and packaging of the semiconductor product. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies, Technology Center for Setup of Semiconductor Foundry, Semiconductor Labs, Semiconductor Training Labs and Warehouse on industrial land providing by government to develop semiconductor product and increase revenue and employment. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies, industrial land plot layout close to South Bombay, India's major seaport and JPT, new international airport. The industrial land is valued at $2 billion. Government of India, Government of Maharashtra supported, approved and given ultra-mega project status. Government of Maharashtra and NASSCOM supported. Advisory and mentorship by Johnson University's S.C. Johnson, S. Business School, Government of Virginia's Fairfax County Administration approved, supported Brindley Semiconductor Technologies, Research and Development Labs. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies received various incentives from Government of Maharashtra worth billions of dollars like tax incentives, GST incentives, stamp duty incentives, customs duty and production-linked incentives, PLI, worth billions of dollars which would bring the cost of the product developed at Brindley Semiconductor's foundry cheaper but at best of the international standard product. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies received various subsidies from Government of Maharashtra like industrial land worth $2 billion, water and electricity subsidies worth billions of dollars which would bring the cost of the product developed at Brindley Semiconductor's foundry cheaper but at best of the international standard product. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies would employ 10,000 employees with various skills like 1. Engineers and scientists for semiconductor and sensors research and development, design, prototype, testing, manufacturing, packaging. 2. Management expert and 3. Blue-collar employees. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies roadmap showing timeline since inception for developing application-based microprocessor and sensors, third-party semiconductor components and Brindley's Semiconductor Foundry plant. 2017. Government of India. Government of Maharashtra. Magnetic Maharashtra. Make in India. Ultra-mega project status. 2018. Partnership with ARMS for base architecture for development of Brindley Semiconductor's application-based microprocessor. Development of mobile application-based microprocessor prototype with the help of ARMS team and third-party partner. Hiring of Zaha Hadid RCX from London, UK to design Technology Centre for Semiconductor Foundry Plant in India. 2019. Received 650+ acres industrial land from Government of Maharashtra. Partnership with TSMC for manufacturing and packaging of semiconductor devices in Taiwan until Brindley Semiconductor's foundry plant is ready and functional in India. Mentorship support from Government of Maharashtra from various universities in India, Europe and USA like IIT, ISB, J.C. Johnson Cornell Business College, Wharton, Instead, Harvard Business School and World's Best Clinical Business School professors. Also connect with top business houses in India to provide mentorship and support. 2022. Support and approvals from Governor of Virginia, Fairfax County Economic Development Authority. Government of Canada. Mentorship and support from NASSCOM. Mentorship and certification in business management from Johnson Cornell C. Johnson College of Business New York, USA. Partnership with Corning to supply Corning glass for semiconductor manufacturing. Partnership with RISC via open source microprocessor architecture. This will be alternative to ARMS architecture. Partnership with Wafer World to supply silicon wafer for manufacturing of microprocessor and sensors. 2023. Production of application-based microprocessor chip for various industries and applications. Construction of semiconductor foundry plant. Setup of research and development labs in the USA and Canada. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies global technology partners to supply. Supporting technologies, Brindley Semiconductor Technologies achievements recognition and support. Brindley Semiconductor Technologies core team. We believe in solutions beyond boundaries. Let's begin. Thank you.